What's up, everybody? Welcome from the Florida Everglades. We got an amazing crocodile here. He is awesome. His mouth is open. He's primed, ready, basking in the sun. Alright guys, so we took a day trip, we left the Keys, and we are now in Flamingo, Florida. And this is in the heart of the Everglades, and we are sitting right in front of one of the most popular residents here. This guy is an American crocodile. Super cool. An endangered species, and one of the only places in the world to see American crocodiles is right here in the Everglades.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited. Brian has been here before, but I haven't. So this is my first time seeing a wild American crocodile just literally taking a nap right behind us.
We're 10 feet away.
Yeah, now we're really being cautious though, because these guys can be really quick, really feisty. They're usually much more active than alligators. Alligators are pretty lazy, so you really
They're way smarter than alligators.
But just so cool to be right next to him. He's just taking a sun bath, could care less about anything.
Yep.
It's beautiful out here. Oh, I'm loving it.
Yeah, it's super fun. The sun's starting to go down, so the mosquitoes are starting to come out, even though it's January. It's really cool out. It's not as hot as it usually is. Mosquitoes are not at their peak, but I'm starting to see mosquitoes. Have you gotten bit yet?
Not yet, but I'm sure they're gonna find me.
Perfect. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna go play with some crocodiles, and we're gonna get back down to the Keys.
We're not gonna play with them. We're gonna watch them from a nice distance.
Yeah, fun. Here we go.
All right, so we have an American crocodile right behind us, mouth open. You see all of those teeth, and you know, everyone always asks the difference between alligators and crocodiles. And if you notice, he's got a really pointy snout there. So crocodiles have more of a pointed snout. If he closes his mouth, you're gonna see all of his teeth, whereas alligators have more of that rounded U-shaped snout, and you're only actually gonna see their top teeth sticking out. But what an impressive crocodile. And his color is also a little bit lighter. They do like to live in some of their more salty water where it's going to be lighter in color, where alligators like the fresh water where it stays really nice and murky. So he is just hanging out.
So right above us here is an osprey nest, and these guys, there's two of them, and the male looks like just brought in a fish for the female. She could be sitting on eggs, or there could be chicks up there. Super cool, beautiful osprey nest, active nest. It's huge. The birds are beautiful big, and the West Coast they're called Seahawks. All right, so Dad just flew away again, and here's Mom in the nest, and Dad is on a little tree right around there. So we're gonna see if we can see him go catch another fish and bring it to Mom. He is on the lookout right now. He is up in the trees looking for fish. I'm gonna try to catch it all. We'll see if we can get it. It'll be super cool footage. So unfortunately we didn't see him catching any fish today. It was really cool to watch him though, and just hunt and sit up there and come swooping down and playing in the water. Awesome experience. Look how cute this little guy is. So cool. He's peeing on me a little bit. He's a little angry. He thinks I'm a big predator and I'm gonna eat him. But so cool. Never caught or found one of these in the wild before. There we go. Got him nice and calm now. So this is a little rough green snake. He's almost full grown. He's about a foot long, and he is so small. He's smaller than a little pencil. And this guy will eat a lot of insects at night. He'll maybe eat a little lizard here or there, but super harmless, super cool, amazing little find here in the Keys. He's angry. I'm gonna let him go.